Hi there, this is General Alexa from Pro Site Tutorials, where I talk about the 5 steps to professional websites. I know that along this video series about SEO, I know that a lot of things changed since my first video, because my main idea when I started doing this video series was really to do a small video course about SEO. But I actually saw that along my videos there was always another thing that I wanted to explain more, and that's why many times when you watch my previous videos, in the end I say I'm going to talk about keyword research on my next video, and then you go to my next video, I'm still not talking about that. That's just because I want to do a more depth video course talking about SEO, because there are a lot of things that you really need to know so you can master this. In this video I'm going to talk about link juice and also about Nofollow and DoFollow links, and also I'm going to show to you a few applications that you should actually install. Okay, so what is link juice? Well, link juice is a term used by the SEO community, and it means that a website that has, for example, the link to your website, it will pass some link juice from that website to yours. This means that it will pass some influence from that website to yours, so your website will receive some influence from that other website, and this will help your website have better results on the search engines, and therefore you will receive more traffic. So basically that's what link juice is. It's simply one website passing some influence using a link that they have on that website, passing some influence from their website to yours. And a tool that I actually use is called Mosebar, and you can see that I actually have it activated and I use it every single day. This is really a great tool, because when you're actually building backlinks to your website, one of the things that you want to do is to get from influential or popular websites on the internet. And for me to see how popular a website is on the internet, I use Mosebar. And this Mosebar goes from 0 to 100, and you can see that YouTube has a domain authority of 100, and this is really the maximum punctuation that a website can have. Also, it's important to notice that this tool is not, I wouldn't say that it's not 100% truthful, because this tool is not developed by Google, and Google doesn't want people to know 100% all of the factors that goes into ranking a website well on the internet. They don't want you to know that, neither anyone out there, because they know that if people know that kind of information, then they will manipulate their system even more than they do nowadays. So this is a tool created by Mose, and it gives you an idea of how popular a website is on the internet. As I said, this is really important later on once you are building backlinks, because this way you can see how popular is a website, and getting a backlink from a more popular website will help yours get more influence on the internet. So for you to get this tool, simply go, you can see, to mose.com. You simply go over here and you can download it for Chrome or for Firefox, and then you can use this tool. It's really great and I recommend it. Okay, so that's about link juice, and I want to talk about Nofollow and DoFollow backlinks or links. Well, when the internet started, every single link was DoFollow or regular links. And one of the things that Google uses to rank a website well on the internet is backlinks. And in the past, the more backlinks a website had, the more authority it would have on the internet, and therefore have better rankings on Google. But what happened was people actually started abusing, and they started building backlinks every single place, and basically building huge quantities of backlinks to their website. Even though their website had many times crappy content, they would still rank well on the internet. And even nowadays you can see that once you start a website, one thing that you will notice is if you leave the comment section open from your website, it doesn't take much time until you start receiving really spammy content or comments from robots that simply go from each website on the internet, leaving a comment, and in that comment they leave a backlink to their probably Viagra website or pornography website and so on. And they expect to get some link juice from your website to theirs so they can boost their rankings on the internet. So what happened was Google started seeing this, and in 2005 they came out with a new tag called Nofollow. Nofollow means that once a link has a nofollow tag, it means that it doesn't pass any kind of link juice from that website to another one. And nowadays, most comments on a WordPress platform, most comments are always nofollow, so they just don't pass any kind of link juice at all. But I guess some people still think that they do, so they still use that kind of tools to basically spam the comment sections of several blogs on the internet. So for you to use a nofollow backlink, it's pretty simple. I'm actually going to create over here nofollow and DoFollow. So you simply select and basically create a normal link. I'm going to create a normal link to, let's say, to Google, and just leave it this way. And over here below, the same thing. So this one, the first one, I want to do a DoFollow, and the one below I want to use a nofollow. The only thing that I do is once I go to the test section from my post, I can see the HTML code for my link, and I just write below rel equal, and I just put nofollow over here, and this makes this last link a nofollow. This is really great, especially when you want to promote an affiliate program on your website. One of the things that Google simply doesn't want is websites with a lot of affiliate links, especially if they are DoFollow links, because they know that many times affiliate websites just don't provide any good and quality content. So it's important for you, when you're promoting a product probably from ClickBank or something like that, it's important for you to use the nofollow tag, and this will help you maintain the link juice from your website, and you won't pass to an affiliate website or to other crappy websites, because I mean, you certainly don't want your website passing link juice to crappy websites such as Viagra websites or pornography websites, because that might actually penalize your website on the process, because once Google sends the crawlers to your website, they see that you are linking to really crappy websites, and that might negatively impact your website on the internet. So it's important for you to know how to use this tag. And once I do a preview, you will see that it looks quite similar. You can see that it looks quite similar over here. On top you can see that this one is a DoFollow, the one below is a nofollow link. The only thing that changes is really that you can see that I have this rectangle over here, and this is an application that I'm using for Chrome, and this application allows me to see the nofollow links on the internet. And if you want to use this, you simply go to your Google and you just write nofollow apps Chrome, and you can see this first link. You just enter and you head to your Chrome browser and you install it. This allows you to see all of the nofollow links on the internet, and this is really helpful for later on once you are building backlinks, because you want to get at least a few backlinks that are DoFollow, because this way you can get link juice from that website to yours. I'm not saying that you should build just DoFollow backlinks to your website, because that will look really unnatural, and nowadays most links on the internet are nofollow. And when it comes to nofollow, one thing that is quite important for you to notice is it's not always, I mean, nofollow links, not always, it's not always that they don't pass any kind of link juice. Some people that actually build links on Wikipedia which is really a very trusted website on the internet, if they actually get a link from there, and all of the links that come from Wikipedia are nofollow, these links that come from Wikipedia, even though they are nofollow, it still helps your website ranking better on the internet. So in most common cases, nofollow links don't pass any kind of link juice, but in some particular cases, it actually helps your website ranking better on the internet. And this is the application that you might want to use. And basically that's how you can build nofollow backlinks to your website. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed and that was helpful. Please subscribe so you can receive my latest and weekly video updates. So that is all for now. Stay tuned with pro tutorials and bye.